Hello everyone. Today I will talk about Tangem crypto wallet, which is, I think, the best wallet for beginners and also for the people who are not beginners in the crypto world. The price is starting from $49 if you use my discount code. So what is it about? You just need to have a mobile phone and this card, which you get in the set of 2 or 3 cards when you order Tangem wallet. So they say, what do they say? They say slim as a bank card, secure as a bank vault, store, buy, earn, transfer, and swap thousands of coins and tokens. It is a Swiss company. You get 25-year warranty, and they say that you can do anything you want with the card. You can destroy it. They are on YouTube. I saw a few videos where people are doing really bad things to the card, and it still works. It still works when you just tap on your mobile, and it works. Never mind what you do to this card. So I will not make too long video because you probably know. You can read everything on this site, and it's really simple to use, and it's not expensive. It's really cheap. You can use my discount code in the description, or just click on the link. Then you pay a 3 card set for $63, or 2 card set for $49. Here is, you see, promo code minus 10%. Also, if they have a promotion, if you buy 2 wallets, you get free shipping. It's till April 30. So if you have any questions or comments, you're really welcome to ask. Also, I would appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel if you want to see my future videos. I will do more videos about crypto, and also about some affiliate sites. That would be that for now. See you next time. Bye bye.